Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to either install or uninstall graphic tools within Windows 10. So to have the functionality of the graphic diagnostic tools within DirectX or Visual Studio, you have to install this graphic tools feature. So it's pretty simple to download. So all we have to do is head over to our start menu, and then we're going to left click on settings. Now you want to left click on the system tile, and then left click on apps and features on the left side here. Underneath apps and features, left click on manage optional features. Then left click on add a feature. So at this point you want to scroll down this list until you get to graphics tools. Right here, this adds DirectX Graphics Tools support. You want to left click on that and then left click on install. And if we go back to settings, we see the graphics tool is currently being installed here. So this will just take a few moments to download and install, but it's pretty quick. And at that point, you should be able to run the graphic tool feature on your computer. So I hope this tutorial helped you guys out, and I will catch you in the next video. Goodbye.